This will be a speed test between the iPhone 14 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Now the iPhone 14 Pro Max has the A16 Bionic chip with 6 gigs of RAM on its latest version of iOS 16.0.1. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 has the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip with 8 gigs of RAM on Android 12 on its latest version of One UI 4.1.1. Let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time and see which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. iPhone 14 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 speed test. Ooh. iPhone super quick on the boot up. But I gotta say, the Z Flip 4 is not that far behind. And we are in. I'm going to swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. Gonna do this on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And as you can see, there's nothing in the background. And do this on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. And as you can see, no recently used apps. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close, let me know in the comments. Messages. Very close, the Z Flip with the animation, the camera, and let's go. Ooh, that was a close one again. Fire up the clock on both phones. Very close. Go ahead and start this up. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Very close again. App Store and Play Store. I'm gonna give that to the Z Flip 4. Go ahead and just click on a random app. We'll leave it right there. Amazon. Ooh, very close again. Let's go ahead and click on this and leave it there. eBay. Ooh, I think that was the Z Flip 4. Go ahead and click on this laptop. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Let's see what happens here. Faster on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Oh, but the second step was a tie. Subway Surf. Ooh, super quick on the 14 Pro Max. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Let's see what happens here. Oh man. Ooh, super close. Which one will come out ahead? Oh my goodness. Well, you know what? I'm gonna call that a draw. Yup, that's a draw. But let me know in the comments. MC5. Super fast on the iPhone. Now I'm gonna try to time this correctly.
3 weeks ago, the World Liberation Army launched a cyber attack on several.
Let's see, both are extracting files. Now I know that wasn't at the same time, but the iPhone was still faster. We'll tap to continue. But again, it's not like the Z Fold 4 or the Z Flip 4 is slow here. Generally, launch the game at around the same time. Let me know in the comments. Of course, we do have the PUBG. And the iPhone here. Hearing noise from the iPhone, loading on the iPhone. And whoa, that's super quick on the iPhone. And the Z Flip 4 is loading. Okay, I gotta say, the Z Flip 4 is right on its heels. Really not that far behind. IG. Give that to the Flip. Snapchat. Give that to the Flip again. Safari and the Samsung Internet browsers. We'll fire this up. I'm gonna go ahead and just click on Google here on the iPhone. All right, let's go ahead and just choose one of these trending searchers. I'm gonna click on Sarah Huckabee Sanders. Go ahead and just click on this. We'll just do a quick image search. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and click on this. Nice and fast on both. Let's see, click on this. Nice and fast. Click on this. Nice and fast on both. Let's see, gonna go ahead and, let's see. Is it the same image? Yup. Whoops, okay. Go ahead and click on this one. We'll go ahead and do the pinch to zoom. Nice and fast on the Z Flip. Do the same thing here on the iPhone. Nice and fast. Do the scrolling. Gonna click on the see more. And let's just scroll. Nice and fast on both phones. But I have to say, I think the Flip might be a little bit faster. I don't know. Let's see. They're both about the same. Maybe the Flip's a little bit faster on the scrolling. But generally speaking, not bad on both phones. Now, the iPhone here, okay, now it's loading up. Okay, so a little bit of lag there. Both are reloading more stuff. All right, enough of the browsing. Let's go ahead and just check out the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background. As you can see, we'll go ahead and run through these apps again. And we'll have a look for any lags or any stutters. The PUBG's right there. We do have the MC5, right? Both are reconnecting to the game. Not a problem. You can resume. Come on, iPhone. Angry Birds 2. No major lags yet. Subway Surf. No issues, you can resume the game. Mario Run. Mario Time on both. eBay. Same place. Amazon. Same place. App Store, Play Store. Same place. Calculator. No issues. Whoops. Oh, what am I doing? Clock. Still running the stopwatch. I've never seen this reload ever. The camera. And let's go. Let me know in the comments. Messages. About the same. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. My fellow Aishi, are you rocking iPhone 14 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments below what you think about the dynamic island. And I low-key think it's kind of cool, but let me know in the comments. Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4? Are you a baller and have the Z Fold 4? Do you have the Fold 3 or the Fold 2 or the original Fold? Or are you still rocking the Z Flip 3 from last year? Do you have an S22 series, an S21, or even a Note 20 Ultra? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.